welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Narendra Modi to swear in as Prime Minister on Monday. Foreign dignitaries including SAARC leaders, Goa cabinet ministers to attend the ceremony. List of cabinet ministers sent to President Pranab Mukherjee. Modi to have a smaller cabinet. Delhi media claims Shripad's name figures in the list. SSC results declared. Diksha Dushal, Anisha Suktankar, Ira Sahkari and Rahul Thari in flying colours. Pass percentage is 83.51%. Pradesh Congress leadership rejects Goa desk in charge Digvijay Singh's appeal asking former leaders back in party. GPCC President readies for action. And Prudent once again emerges as #1 source of news for Goans across the world. Prudent's website witnesses record-breaking traffic on counting day. Now news in detail. Finally, Narendra Modi, who led BJP to an astonishing victory in the Lok Sabha poll, will be sworn in as the Prime Minister on Monday in the forecourt of the majestic Rashtrapati Bhavan. The grand function will be attended by foreign dignitaries including SAARC leaders and nearly 3,000 other guests. From Goa, CM along with his cabinet ministers will attend the grand ceremony.
Preparations were in its final stages at the forecourt of Rashtrapati Bhavan for the swearing-in ceremony of 15th Prime Minister Narendra Modi. President Pranab Mukherjee will administer the oath of office and secrecy to the 63-year-old Modi and his council of ministers in the presence of a host of leaders including outgoing Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Modi's mother Hiraba is also expected to attend the ceremony. SAARC anthem will be played at Narendra Modi's swearing-in ceremony. Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, Sri Lankan President Mahinda Rajapaksa, Afghanistan President Hamid Karzai, Bhutan Prime Minister Tshering Tobgay, Nepal Prime Minister Sushil Koirala and Maldivian President Abdullah Yamin Abdul Gayoom will be among the foreign dignitaries attending the ceremony. Bangladesh will be represented by Speaker Shireen Chaudhry as Premier Sheikh Hasina would be travelling to Japan at the time of the swearing-in ceremony. This is the first time that the heads of states of SAARC nations will be invited to attend the swearing-in ceremony of the Indian Prime Minister. Two neighbouring countries of India, Sri Lanka and Pakistan, on Sunday released Indian fishermen as a goodwill measure. Sri Lankan President Mahinda Rajapaksa has ordered the release of all Indian fishermen arrested by the Lankan Navy for poaching, whereas Pakistan freed 151 Indian fishermen a day ahead of the visit of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif to India to attend the swearing-in ceremony of Modi. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar along with his full cabinet ministers, party president, Sangathan Mantri, total 22 of them will fly to Delhi from Goa to witness swearing-in ceremony of Narendra Modi as Prime Minister.
गोवा राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री, उपमुख्यमंत्री त्याबरोबर गोवा राज्याचे सगळे मंत्री त्यांच्या बरोबर एज अ राष्ट्रीय युवा मोर्चा उपाध्यक्ष म्हणून हांव स्वता वता आणि पार्टीचे आमचे अध्यक्ष, संघटन मंत्री, सरचिटणीस अशे एक ऑल टुगेदर गोंयांतल्यान जवळपास एक 20 जणांची टीम जी आसा हो सेरेमनी अटेंड करपा खातीर वता.
Bureau Report Prudent.
With stage set for Narendra Modi's swearing-in ceremony on May 26, the list of those who could be inducted in the new cabinet is sent to President Pranab Mukherjee on Sunday, as per reports. Speculations have also been doing the rounds that Modi may opt for a smaller and leaner cabinet, keeping in tune with his minimum government, maximum governance agenda. Delhi media claims that Shripad Naik will take oath as Union Cabinet Minister along with Narendra Modi on Monday.
After a lot of speculation and rumours, finally Narendra Modi sent list of his cabinet ministers to President Pranab Mukherjee. There was ambiguity about whether he will be inducted in the cabinet during first round. Finally, Delhi media claims that Shripad has been included in the first round. Here is the list of probables. Shripad Naik, Rajnath Singh, Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj, Piyush Goyal, Venkaiah Naidu, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Babul Supriyo, Anant Kumar, Maneka Gandhi, Kalra Mishra, V.K. Singh, Uma Bharti, Radha Mohan Singh, Phaggan Singh Kulaste, Dr. Harshvardhan, Bandaru Dattatray, Ratan Lal Kataria, Krishnpal Gujar. Sumitra Mahajan can be appointed as Speaker. There has been no decision about Lal Krishna Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Girls outshine boys in SSC Goa board exam. Diksha Dushar from Almeida High School in Forney scored 96.16% and Ira Sahakari from same school scored 95.83%. Anisha Suktankar from People's High School secured 95.84%, 0.1% more than Ira. Rahul Thari from Saraswat Vidyalay Mapsa scored 95.33%. In all, pass percentage is 83.51%. Girls pass percentage is 84.10% and boys 82.10%.
I've scored 96.16% in SSC and I'm extremely happy. My future plans are that I want to back the IIT, which is a very prestigious exam in our country. I want to get IIT and I have to do software engineering in IIT, taking computer sciences. Anybody studying for 10th standard should study 3 hours regularly. That's just enough for SSC.
It's a wonderful feeling. I'm overwhelmed and it's a pleasant surprise for me actually.
What are your aspirations?
I'm mostly inclined to the medical side, but depends.
Day-to-day study plan as such means it did not include homework as such. You have to do like 2 hours compulsory, just a revision every day for 2 hours with full concentration.
So what are your future plans?
My future plans, I have not decided as such yet, but I want to be in a teaching profession.
Rahul, तुका किती % गावपाची अपेक्षा असली?
92.3.
आणि आता किती गावली तुका?
95.3.
आणि कोण जावपाची तुका इच्छा आसा?
डॉक्टर जावपाची इच्छा आसा सामकी.
आणि डॉक्टर कित्याक खातीर?
म्हाकाय जाय आशिल्लो डॉक्टर जावपाक आनी आजी धाकटेच्यान धाकटा आसतना म्हणटाली की डॉक्टर जाय म्हणून तिची इच्छा पुरी करपा खातीर म्हाका डॉक्टर जावपाक जाय.
कशें दिसता तुका आतां हें?
एक्सपेक्ट करूंक नाशिल्लो तिसरो येता पूण तिसरो येवन खूब बरें दिसता. इतल्या भुरग्यां मदीं हांव तिसरो इट्स रियली अ ग्रेट फीलिंग.
ट्युशन बी घेतालो तूं?
हय हांव ट्युशन घेतालो हांगा कोर्टा कडेन मॅथ्स आनी सायन्स.
The board has developed the system of honoring the schools which achieve over 95% pass percentage. This year there are 64 such schools. We have displayed them there. The total number of students answering from the schools are put in brackets. So you have St. Brito's 126, then Government High School, Nadora 10 students. So there are 64 such schools. Then the schools which have made it twice in a row in this list are shown with asterisk. But there are schools which have sponsored around, even AJ Almeida, which has sponsored the highest number of students, 371, and they have achieved a pass percentage of over 95%. Then as far as sports merit marks are concerned, a total of 6,875 students availed of the sports merit marks in the whole category, regular students category, and repeaters 331, of which 551 needed the sports marks to clear the exam. Only 551. The rest, the marks are reflected on their mark sheet.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.